and workshop on infectious diseases is a platform that seeks to enhance research to help in addressing public health issues. Organized by the Quantitative Bioscience Institute at the University of California, San Francisco, together with the University of Sierra Leone and the Ministry of Health, the event will create a platform to share results and facilitate collaborations among West African scientists and clinicians with other global scientific communities.
To bring in all these well-published scientists in Sierra Leone for the first time, in West Africa for the first time, to present their science, their work in infectious diseases, and also the ability for the Sierra Leoneans and the Africans to collaborate with these great scientists. So the idea is to bring in scientists, 50% of the scientists from African region and 50% of the scientists from the rest of the world, which is America, Europe, and Asia and other parts, to come and present their science and have discussions and have collaborations.
The event will attract over 80 participants from across Africa, North America, and Europe, with the hope of creating connections among policymakers, patients, and other stakeholders in West Africa, focusing on key aspects of Ebola, Lassa, malaria, dengue, Zika, and HIV and AIDS. Thus, Sierra Leone stands to benefit from the following.
The benefit that Sierra Leone will have is threefold. The first is an opportunity to expose young investigators in Sierra Leone, young people that are interested in research, to more research capacity, because the workshops include 4 different workshops, which is one is bioinformatics, which they will understand how to analyze their work and do papers, and the other one is grant writing, which is very important because most times to do research involves money. You need to write grants and win those grants. Another one is the clinical research, which is also to understand people to be able to design their own research and write a protocol and grants. And the other one, molecular biology and cloning.
A 2-day symposium will include presentations from researchers in West Africa, the US, EU, and beyond, and followed by 4 days hands-on workshops. Ronald Joe